Yo, what's up everybody? Today we're gonna be installing the MAXI TRAC vehicle awning right here, this $100 John. I got this for a Toyota Sequoia. We're gonna go ahead and throw it on right now, all right? This is what comes inside of the little bag right here. You unzip this, all the way. This is a little bag that's inside of there. This is what's inside the bag. What you're gonna need for this is a 13mm socket and 13mm wrench as well. First thing we're gonna do, let's go ahead and zip this baby back up. I took the little tools out, flip it upside down really quick. All right, so in this bag right here, we got 4 long bolts and 4 short bolts. We're gonna slide the short ones through the track right here. Boom, last one. I'm gonna slide these two a little bit further down. Okay, I got those slid down there. These ones right here. So now what you're gonna do is throw these L brackets on top of these bolts right here. Boom, like that. And then throw these nuts on top of it right here. Screw these on. Do it to this right here. And then the next side, same thing, okay? My L brackets right now are facing away from that zipper part right there. So you see the zippers right here, the L's right here, and then this, nothing right there. That's the way I got it facing right now, all right? And I got my measuring tape right here now. What we're gonna do now, before we tighten these bolts all the way, or the nuts all the way, is measure 40 inches from here to there, okay? You want it to be 40 inches apart. All right, so what I did right now was center these two. I measured the outside length and the outside again on this side to make sure that they're evenly, spaced like perfectly in the center. And they're also spaced 40 inches from each other, boom, from side to side. So from the edge right here to the center right here, it's right 28 inches in the center, boom, right there in the middle. And we got the same measurement on this side right here. Same thing, all right? Then in between the 2 points right here, we got 40 inches, all right? So now we're just gonna tighten these up. I got my nice tool to help tighten these up all the way. Now let's go ahead and throw this on top of the truck, and we're gonna go ahead and get these things fitted with these long bolts and these brackets right here, okay? So take this on top of the truck and these pieces right here, all right? All right, y'all, so once you get it up on top of the roof, what you wanna do is slide this piece underneath of your rail right here. Boom, so it should look like that. And this little piece right here, you wanna put on top, boom. Put the 2 bolts that you got right here. Slide them right through, boom. It was a little hard getting the nuts on the bottom here, but what I did was I just held it up with my finger, then I slid this through, and then I used that little drill to try to tighten it up while my finger's holding onto the bolt on below. So they're not all the way tightened up right now, but you can see they're down there. You can see they're in there right now. You can kind of see this one down there. All right, so that's how you want it to look, okay, guys? Boom. So once you tighten this all the way up, what I'm gonna use right now is I'm gonna use this wrench right now to hold the bottom piece, and I'm gonna tighten it up on the top with a drill. And you wanna do the same thing to this side, and just before you tighten it all the way up, just position it exactly how you want it on the truck. All right, and that'll be it. I'll show you guys in a second the end result. All right, y'all, we got it all locked and loaded. All the bolts are on this side and on this side. Let's see. So I'll show you guys really quick how it looks on top. Makes it look a little bit tougher, honestly. I like how it looks. And I'll go ahead and extend it out tomorrow morning for you guys to see. But that's it right there. Basic, easy install, Looks nice and clean. Thanks for watching, y'all.
Dummy.